There is a debate happening in the medical industry surrounding the name of the monkeypox virus. Back in June, you might remember the World Health Organization said that it is committed to changing that name.
That name has been criticized by many as being discriminatory and stigmatizing, but it's not an easy switch since it's been the name of the virus since the 1950s. Ground 4's Rob Nesbitt explains.
Last week, I went to Renegade Bio in Berkeley, where they are processing monkeypox tests. It's where I first heard the term MPX, an alternative name for monkeypox that's being used out of respect. Monkeypox got its name because it was first studied in monkeys in the 1950s. Infectious disease expert at UCSF, Dr. Peter Chin Hong, says the name is a misnomer.
It's really a reservoir in rats, small rodents, squirrels, but not monkeys.
More than 60 years later, and we're experiencing a new outbreak of the virus in 99 countries. A large number of new cases are being reported among people of color. The World Health Organization is exploring a new name for the virus, says there's a racist history of black people being referred to as monkeys.
Names immediately conjure up images that may be stigmatizing to cultures and stigmatizing to populations.
Dr. Chin Hong says the name change won't be fast since the virus has been around for more than half a century and will most likely be changed to a longer version of what already exists.
And it will be probably something like orthopox virus, monkeypox.
Some aren't waiting for an official change.
That actually is a horrible name.
Dr. Monica Gandhi is the medical director of the Ward 86 HIV clinic at UCSF, where the virus is referred to as MPX, an abbreviation that many physicians, scientists, and patients have also adopted to avoid racist stereotypes.
To get away from that monkeypox word, it's sort of stigmatizing. It doesn't even make sense. And the WHO is absolutely talking about changing the name.
The World Health Organization names diseases, but the International Committee on Taxonomy of Viruses decides the formal names. As of this week, there have been no official proposals to replace monkeypox. Reporting in the newsroom, I'm Rob Nesbitt, Ground 4 News.